So here's an update on the high tunnel. Today's the last day of June 30th. It's very windy today because I decided to make a film. It's very hot. I hope maybe this wind will blow this heat out of here. Been triple digits last couple of days, just intolerable. But I'm gonna sucker these tomatoes. That's just that middle stem that grows up like that. I just use a small one like this. I just use my hands and take it off. I'm just winding these tomatoes up these strings. To tell you the truth, I don't think I'm getting as good a fruit set as could be possible outdoors. I mean, there are a few bugs in here, but I don't know, should I bring some pollinators in or not? I don't know. Couldn't really find anything definitive on that. There's some pretty good looking tomatoes right there. So we got decent fruit set on these. Oh, that's nice right there. Now these tomatoes are, oh, they're the size of what you'd see in a grocery store. See, for some comparison, these are, I believe, Better Boys. Let me check. Yep, they are indeterminate Better Boys. Hopefully you can read that. This bush needs to be wrapped around the string, and I'm going to take that sucker right there off. I'm just going to wrap these around. Wrap that around like that. So this one's hanging off, needs to be twined around. Like so. And there's a little sucker right there. Just take that. There's one. Just take that. You've got to do that or they'll just turn into green bushes. I think I've got a pair of, this one's pretty big. I need something to cut it with. Maybe I can break it off. Yeah. There we go. There's a big one right there. And maybe this will help pollinate these blooms just by the mere fact of sort of agitating it like that. We'll see what happens. This is a nice sized tomato right there. Oh yeah. Alright, so here's the other. These are the determinate tomatoes. Now I've got to come out here today and tie these up because these two down here just don't want to go vertical. I had to replace some, so I have some smaller ones. Some of these are doing alright. I've just got them tied to the strands with a Velcro. That one's falling over. This jute twine did not do the trick. This stuff's doing better. But the tomato output's very lacking on these. So still not having great luck with the determinants. I'm not sure if I want to. Well, these look pretty good, whatever this is. Look at that. What does it say? Rutgers. Rutgers. Never had that tomato. Now, the strawberries are growing a lot. They put out a lot of runners, but haven't been blooming a lot, and we haven't gotten a heck of a lot of strawberries. So maybe this fall will do better, I hope. Otherwise, I'm not going to do strawberries anymore after this. But there's a lot of blooms in here today. So, let's see what happens. Let's look at the temperature. It says it's over 100, but that's just, I don't think it's quite that hot, but it's hot. Alright, so there's a review of the high tunnel for the end of June 2023. Everyone go outside.